Hi, I'm Chris Cuthbert. I run Aquis Media. We're an installation and design company for the arts and media. We're sat in the factory at Fargo Village. Fargo Village is a development that's happened over a number of years to allow artists and creatives to sell material. They've got a thriving street food industry, and they've also got quite a large venue that we were part of initially in designing the AV systems for. In the factory, the request was to put a flexible music system in relatively quickly. So we went for Audio Pro because we were able to just construct some specific power points around the ceiling and then basically just strap up some speakers, plug and play and go. Putting in the Audio Pro business systems has been really easy. It started initially with us taking some demo equipment which allows us to educate the client better in what they're buying and the flexibility of the system and also the quality. It was put in as a temporary solution to the fact that the council issued the licence to be able to use recorded music here quite late. But it allowed us to demonstrate the flexibility of Audio Pro, which is now rolled out here into an 8-speaker system indoors and outdoors. It's fully installed, very easy to do. I would say probably in 4 hours, which is a record for that number of speakers. Now it's working really well for them. They use it for a mixture of playback off Spotify, but they also have the ability to plug a DJ into it, or sometimes they screen the football, and we used it to produce the audio for the football here with a big projector, so it's really flexed well for them. And as tends to be the case with Fargo, it may grow, it may change, and it will allow them to either move the system or add to it as the venue develops.